minorities in Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, Bangladesh.
Minorities in Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, Bangladesh.
Minorities in Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, Bangladesh.
Yeah, long live.
Long live, long live.
Yeah, yes, long live.
Long live, long live.
Minorities in Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, Bangladesh.
Stop violence in Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, Bangladesh.
Stop violence in Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, Bangladesh.
Minorities in Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, Bangladesh.
Minorities in Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, Bangladesh.
Yeah, long live.
Long live, long live.
Umagra, long live.
Long live.
We want justice.
Justice, justice.
We want justice.
Justice, justice.
Why do you want justice?
Norok Jotono Saimano Tanai 19 September 2024 Khadratari District Bangladesh County War Balaikai Sitramu Tai Minority Soking for the Hamlang Tongmani Tabusu Dorati report Manmani Motha 100 plus Borok in Nok of Skopzaka Debong Ipan of Skopzaka Aboni Bagay Kadumani Kaisas peaceful agitation Tini 21st September 2024 on behalf of YTF Tini Odagawa Circuit House Ebakai High Commissions of Bangladesh is the office Nubus Kango Tabu peaceful agitation title. Norok Jotono Haimano under the leadership of our beloved Maharaja Sini Tipra Motha. The Tipra Motha is a wings Tongairo. Always no minorities of the Bagay ever indigenous of the boys. Je Zagawa suppression Lungo Borok Je Zagawa injustice in Tongo. Azagawa Maharashni the Spoinoro. Maharashni is a force rock. Maharashni warriors rock. Always sing Borok no protect Nani by Khorang Tisakha. Dini Bangladesh Hayo Zebabe over Ottochar Klaizaki Tongo. Minorities of this Hakawa. Abo like a Kadun Zaknekop, Dukunang Zaknekop, Sung Obono like a Selamung Zan of Mani Visinte. All incidents condemn Klayo Haisi. Tai Sung over Hananimusungo, Government of India, Dakti Kai, Bangladeshni, the violent situation no. Cool Kaitub Nani Bagay, I think Government of India also should engage with the official team of Bangladesh and should start talking to them why this violence is not yet stopped. I see. So we want Bangladesh minorities people to get justice. That is the reason we on behalf of Youth Tipra Federations today we organize here peaceful agitation. I see. Because abon bagay ang sana ni musungo dini Bangladesh Jagawa Borok Sing Koborok Manu Mierok Simi Kabangma Borok Zani Nok Yakari Kirima by Borok Karima Tongu Baksani Bohok Rogo Bullet Koksakman is Sunugu Yak Rogo Party Bayman Sunugu Bokrok Party with Buzaka Jata Kaibongi Nok the Tongi Tongani Aborong Soksa Shipzaka Haisi Dini minorities Borok no protect Rimanian Kai everyone rights tong Haisi human being Kai Singsaro Gatang Tongi Tongani peaceful babi Tongnani Kintu the condition Bangladesh tini nukjagi tongo totally aba unstable haise abon bagai sung tini nayotamo YTF rongni torot theke High Commission of Bangladesh to sung memorandum ya pharnai o memorandum ni bisingtei sung Government of India no request khaikya je dakti khai bus kangni salo Bangladesh ni situation jengi tongmani Government of India ro visit khaiye borok by kok sawoi all situations no calm down na tubnani ambai